baby.
Don't you ever try to. Don't you ever. Don't ever in your life try to touch me with those miserable hands of yours.
Okay, Chiwedo. So if to say I no put this hand now, you for slap me. You for slap me.
Hi, Nzube, do you know you are shameless? Nzube won't be. So you had the audacity, the temerity to stand before me and be calling Chinelo. Hey, beautiful. Yeah, beautiful. Yeah.
Wait. Now that one they pay you. I know say you get pepper body before. So that one join the pay you. Now be say pepper body go kill you. So you won't make her dey lie before. You be one make her dey lie. Okay, you know not say Chinelo fine pass you before. She not just fine pass you, she fine pass every other girl waiting for this. It is a beauty na just by face. No be by face, my dear. Make I tell you how you take ugly. The very first day when they employ you for this palace, the very first day, now that first day when I set my eyes on you, now that day I sleep with you. You know, even reach 30 minutes later. Immediately then they take you, they give you uniform. I not even tell you 2 times, you don't give me. Now that thing, now make you ugly, well. Mugu. No problem. If they see person why they struggle, see why they struggle to sleep with this guy, never agree. Now, bring your body for here.
You are mad. Have I not told you not to touch me again? Because of this qualicobe that they gave you and I, Okwaya. You think you can now talk to me anyhow? You're telling me that.
See, fairly use.
You, me.
See, fairly use. If why don't you use cash and you they make math like this?
You come to my room. Look at somebody. No, come and call me again now.
Finish it up now.
I'm tired.
You need to stand up and do it like a woman now. Stand up and do it like a girl you are.
I'm tired.
Why won't you be tired?
I will not kill myself for this work.
What are you looking at? Why are you people looking at me that way? Ogene.
Where are you coming from? I have noticed how you sneak in and out of the palace, however you like. And it is not good for you. And that's a reason everybody feel you lose.
Chinelo, did you just ask me that question? Like, did you just ask me where am I coming from? As Guinea-Kwan? As my mother or Her Royal Majesty?
Hey, I pity you. Do you know why? The day Her Majesty will find out that you're sneaking in and out of the palace, that will be your end in this palace. Keep misbehaving.
Chinelo, you know I never liked you. I never liked you, right from day one. And so I will appreciate it if you mind your business. I'll stay away from my case.
I know you never liked me. You don't even have to say it. I know, but that will not stop me from telling you the truth. You need to stop. It is too much.
In this palace, you're advising me. Even you that I call my friend.
I didn't say anything. No.
How will you say anything?
I didn't say anything.
How will you say something? Please take these things and go and keep them. Take this one too. Go and keep it. Stupid girl. Keep walking up and down. Huh? Every day is for the thief. One day, the owner will. Come. You will know.
Nonso, I still don't understand what you're doing here. I told you to wait until after the prince's birthday and bridal contest. Then we can revisit this discussion.
My love, do you just want to throw away everything we've built all these years? The love we've shared, the affection. You just want to throw them away all because of what? Sweetheart, look into my eyes. Tell me if you ever loved me. If you ever had feelings for me.
Why do you have difficulties understanding me? I never said I never loved you.
So, what is the problem?
I am an ambitious woman. I have dreams. I have ambitions I need to chase. Us being together is going to be a distraction.
Sweetheart, but I've always supported your dreams. In fact, I have never been against you chasing your dreams. Sweetheart, listen, all I'm asking is that you allow us chase these dreams together.
Can you help me become the queen of this land? Can you?
No! But
what? No, but what? You've already answered the question. So as long as you cannot help me become the queen of this kingdom, then you have nothing to offer.
Sweetheart, listen. Trust me, I have a lot to offer you. I have a lot. You can be the empress of my kingdom. Sweetheart, you can rule my world. You can rule my heart. You can even become the queen to my children and the mother of my heart. You own me.
Nonso, stop. Stop this right now. Stop. Why are you making this whole thing look as if it is entirely my fault? Remember, I begged you. I was begging you then to come and see my father. You said you were not ready. Now, I am not even ready for this. Excuse me.
No, sweetheart, please, listen, you need to... Vera, please.
We are the people blessed with our culture. Our heritage is our pride. The ways of the gods are not the ways of man. They can make something out of nothing.
Do my car. You give me a whole load of excuses when I need it.
Hello. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir. I hope you are not coming from my house. Because if you are coming from my house, stay away from that road leading to my house. Stay away from my daughter. I, her father, have great plans for Vera. She is going to be the next queen of this great land.
I know, I'm sorry, but I think there's a mix-up here. This is known, so... Besides, do you know that myself and your daughter, we share a great relationship? And I promise to make her the happiest woman in Abamike if she accepts to marry me. Besides, this whole context, we're not even sure if she's going to win it. But the happy thing is that she has won my heart.
No, sir. You are very lucky that I know your father very well. I would have asked Amadioha to strike you dead now on my behalf.
What?
But you are so lucky. Are you stupid? Didn't you hear what I just said? Or do you want me to speak English language or Igbo for you? Don't you understand English language? I said, stay away from Vera. You see this road leading to my house? Avoid it. Be far from this road. I don't know of this great land. Igwe's right-hand man. I will use my influence because my daughter has been prepared already for the prince to make everything possible. That on that day, she's going to be the chosen bride. Do you understand this?
You know, no, this is very interesting. Now, I want to ask you, do you even consider how I feel? What becomes of me? What becomes of everything we shared? Do you even consider how I feel?
Okay. I am fair enough. By standing here under a very hot sun with anger that my mechanic engineered not quite long ago, I've been fair enough. Now I am going to give as the final warning. I'm going to give you this. Those things you did in the past, I recognize it. I registered it somewhere.
Okay.
But you see, today is a different way. This road leading to my house, be very far from it. You see my daughter, Vera, avoid her. In fact, don't even mention her name, not to talk of coming close to her. It is only when you adhere to this simple instruction that is when we are going to have peace between us. If you push this your earlobe backward to refuse what I'm saying now, I will make life miserable. I will make sure that I will ruin you, ruin your family, ruin your entire generation.
Oh no!
Be very careful with me. I've been fair enough. You know what I'm capable of doing.
Oh no! Oh no! This is not fair. Oh no!
My husband. This year's contest will be a very fierce one. If we must make our daughter win, we would not relax. So, we would not relax at all. Honey, do you know that Ono has stopped the young man who came to marry his daughter Vera?
Is it not the same guy she has been going out for the past years?
Exactly, my dear husband. Okay, what was that his name again?
Nonso.
Nonso. Oh no, your friend has refused the man. He has been accepting since so, but because of the contest, he has changed his mind. Simply because he wants to make his daughter the princess consort.
My wife, you don't need to worry yourself over this. The Lolo is your friend, and I'm a friend to His Majesty. So we have advantage over others. It's true. So we are going to use that in favor of our daughter.
You've said it all. I just like what you've said.
Yes.
I like it. We have to do everything we can.
That is it.
We just have to do everything we can. I want to be the next mother to the queen of Abamike.
Wow.
Mama, you people need to relax. Relax. Calm down. I don't see anybody in the whole of Abamike Kingdom that has what it takes to rival the prince with me.
Okay, Adam.
You should know now. At all, in every aspect, name it, education, exposure. Should I continue?
Okay, Adam. My daughter. But you should understand that this is politics. Nine. This is politics. You have to play the game to win. If not, some other persons will play the game and win while you watch.
Mama, I know how the game is being played. And I'm just going to play by the rules of it.
Bam.
So relax.
Bam.
Anya la chapia.
Nah, never. Just the watch.
That's my daughter. I'm a mihemuro.
Hey, now you're dragging her.
I know.
You're dragging her now.
I'm a mihemuro.
I have decided, I've made up my mind to let her go. Since I've seen that we're not meant to be together.
That's exactly what I'm about telling you, Nonso. It's not a must that you two will end up together. And her father is solidly backing her up. Just let her go. Let her go.
Good morning, the young lion of Abamike. The bird sings of your rising glory, while the ocean roars of your mightiness. The great and mighty son of King Onochie, the lion of Abamike, the one voice that trembles the east. Wake up, my friends. Wake up.
Must you recite this every morning? God, can't you at least wait for the day to break properly before doing this?
My prince, it is past 7 a.m. and soon the guests will start arriving.
Just go. I'll join you later, please.
I am sorry, my prince.
The queen ordered I stay with you and make sure you've entered the bathroom before I leave you.
Oh God, can you please, I beg you, leave my room, please. Hey. Okay, fine, I'm off.
We are the people blessed with our culture. Our heritage is our pride. The ways of the gods are not the ways of man. They can make something out of nothing. You can be the one the gods will use. You can be the one the gods will choose. Don't look down on nobody. Don't look down on yourself. You can be the one, be the one, be the one. The gods are wise. They are watching you. It's a contest, it's a contest. You can be the one. People blessed with our culture. Our heritage is our pride. The ways of the gods are not the ways of man. They can make something out of nothing. You can be the one the gods will use. You can be the one the gods will choose. Don't look down on nobody. Don't look down on yourself. You can be the one, be the one, be the one. The gods are wise. They are watching you. It's a contest, contest, it's a contest. You can be the one.
See, listen to me, both of you. Come here. You must not disgrace me. You must not come back to this house without one of you being the consort to the prince.
Yes, Papa.
One of you must be the queen.
Papa, don't worry yourself. I have already perfected a plan on how to become the prince's wife. So don't worry, it is all sorted out.
Papa, all right, eh?
Papa, do you know I even had a dream?
You did?
Yes, I had a dream that Hannah gave birth to a child for the prince. That means I'll be the prince's bride.
What kind of dream is that one? You're not even married to the prince yet. Yet you're saying you have a dream and you gave birth to... How can... Is that possible? What kind of dream is that one?
You know they hear English for daytime. When I talk, say, nah, dream, I dream. You know, say dream, they come to...
Oh, but this is your dream, You go drink medicine for inside. You need malaria medicine.
The dream will come to pass.
He said.
My own dream is that one of you will be the queen in that palace.
I will be the queen.
We are going late. Let us go.
Papa.
Yeah. Lock up.
Lock it up.
Yeah, lock up.
Papa, see now.
Lock up. Let's go.
Papa, you need to treat us like it.
Oh, yeah. Papa, I'm coming.
Fast, you too dey slow. Oh yeah. Over.
Olokonelu, this is the D-Day. Before us here is Utambama. With this smart, each and every one of you will be exposed to know who is pure and who is still not pure. You, step forward. Stand on the mat. You are pure. Go in. Take your shoe. She stands pure. You, step forward. She stands pure. You. Step on it.
Off. Follow this way. So take your shoe. That way. Listen, Mom. Yes, purify.
Well, Mother, if you're trying to find out if I'm ready, Then yes, I am ready, Mother. I can't wait to be over with this.
Good son.
Ocho. You step forward. You are pure.
Inside.
You step forward.
Hey! Follow this one. Who's in the prefer?
You step forward.
Step. Huh? Inside.
You're pure.
Don't waste time.
You.
Remove your shoes. The two of them. In the field. They qualified. The fat one and this one.
Qualified.
Oh yeah. Pick your cover. Inside. Inside. That's what daughter. The fat one to my daughter. Purify.
Ocho. You step forward.
Move your shoe. Inside. Don't waste time.
You step forward.
Oh yeah,
step forward.
Your shoe. Lovely.
Remove your shoe.
No, remove. Go inside. Not waste time.
Your Majesty, my prince, he said you should come and see the booticious. Yeah, booticious bootila that the God selected for you. Ihu otele. Or ihu obi uche.
Ezobe, what do you mean by booticious bootila?
My prince, what I'm trying to tell you is that you should come and see the kind of yes where the gods and the Ezemo select for you. Ihu otele. Ihu obi.
Just shut up.
I'm sorry, my queen.
Get out.
Mother, let him speak.
Speak what? What else is he going to talk about if not rubbish? Move.
My prince. Prince. Sorry. Hi! Prince, biangoro merendo. Prince, moya merena wanko. Biangoro merendo. Hey! Prince, igeri owa. Igeri kwa.
Igwe. A sị na ọkụ agụnye nwata n'aka dịrịgbu ya. Ife onye lụrụ oge ya bụrụkwa n'ụsa. Maka na ada arapụ isi aka were abụọ. Ma ọkwa na ala aṅụ ala. Ife nwaanyị bụ na ngada n'ede. These are the selected maidens They are the ones that passed the purity test. I present them to you.
Thank you, Ezeonu. First, I would like to congratulate all of you for passing the test.
Thank you,
It is not easy to pass such test. Ezeonu, you know what I'm talking about. Now, I will urge all of you to go home, get prepared, arrange your luggage, and come back here tomorrow by 7 a.m. The palace staff will arrange for your logistics. Is that understood?
Yes, Your Majesty. We are the people blessed with our culture. Our heritage is our pride.
I'm still not convinced. Something is not right here. How can those two she-devils make it? My own daughter cannot make it.
Don't speak yourself into a curse. That the gods rejected your daughter into purity doesn't mean they are the same with you. After all, they are not the only one that failed the test.
Onukube.
Speak.
Do you know your problem? Greed. Moi. Greed and envy. That is your problem. Me, that your daughter did not make it and the gods rejected her is not my problem. You are a failure, you and your wife. Yes, you failed to put your daughter into the state of chastity, purity. Is she a virgin? But my own daughter has made it. You are a failure as a father, a failure. You are a failure, Anukube. You are a failure.
Can you imagine? Look at this man that trained terrorists calling me a fair father. Eh? Who doesn't know in the whole community that your daughters are evil and mischief?
But they are in the palace, so where is your own daughter? You're on the streets. You're going back to your house. You're a failure. Nam, come and take me away from here. Leave this in Zuzu. We have promoted Kaiwa. My daughter, you will have
Nonsense before this vote will hit you.
My daughters are in the palace. Iron. Failure! Failure! A failed man. Nam, kick your moto Kaiwa. Over.
Our heritage is our pride. The ways of the gods are not the ways of man. They can make something out of nothing.
Vera, this is why you're happy this morning. Did you pass the sanctity test?
My dear friend, I am this one step close to achieving my dream.
Congratulations to you. I prayed to God last night for him to help you achieve your dreams.
Oh, that's so sweet of you. But I didn't see you at the palace today. What happened?
I was very, very busy and I don't have any interest in the contest.
And Rika, the popular market woman. That's why I like you, because we always chase our dreams. That's why we are compatible.
I won't argue that with you. How is the prince? I hope he's handsome. How is he? How do he look like?
Ne, you need to see the prince. He's so handsome, so cute and elegant. His words were like they were soaked from milk and honey. Watching him address us, I melted inside. I swear, I will even worship where he steps on when I finally become his bride.
I know you will make a fine queen. I saw Guinea and Dujuma heading to the palace this morning. Did they pass the sanctity test?
Those ones.
That's how the thing goes. Because as far as I know, His Majesty is head of this. Onobria.
I don't even know how those two clowns made it test.
Huh?
Still baffles me, really.
You must learn to keep your surprise for yourself. You have no right to chip in words when elders are talking. If not for the relationship I have with His Majesty, you would have been disqualified.
Susan, did you do that? Did you interrupt the Majesty and the elders while they were talking?
She did not interrupt His Majesty. She interrupted Ezeonu.
Ezeonu? Susan, what were you thinking? Are you out of your mind?
Jukwamo.
Bianwa, you want to jeopardize my chances of becoming the next mother to the queen of this land? Eh? 9.
The words of our gods are true and pure. So whatever they say is final.
Papa, I'm sorry. I was momentarily stunned at the prospect of Ginika and Ujunwa passing the sanctity test.
So grammar.
They had no business being there.
No one questioned the gods, and not even you, my daughter, will. The words of the gods are pure and truth, and that's all. It's not organic. Or fruit salad.
Susan, be careful. You have to be careful.
My sister. My sister.
My sister.
My sister.
My sister.
You see us, they shock. They shock as they see us. They shock as they see us. Now so they go there, they look like
My sister. I see the shock for their face now. I see them. Evil people. Wicked people. God don't run out for us.
Don't run am now. See, you know, as they look us, they surprise. And as soon they go see they look, they go they surprise. One of us go be the prince bride. They go be maid.
They go serve us.
We have started celebration already. What is this? Oh, you are dipping this thing inside bread. This is not royalty. You eat with royalty, finesse. You do it like Oyibo people. You don't know in the palace. You don't eat like this.
Papa, okay. See, Papa, this way, not before those people when to say they get power, they're strong. Papa, now grace carry us. Now grace cover us. Now grace back with it. Not be Okada, not be Okada. Papa, don't worry. We'll make you proud. It's not proud. You'll be proud.
Papa,
we'll make you proud.
And you see the grace when carry us. Papa, you wear helmet.
Yes.
To the case that's there, come, you go give that there like
My
this.
sister.
Journey continue. So Papa, no worry yourself. Papa, see, God don't run out for us already. You see, God, you don't run out for us already.
Yeah.
Do not stress yourself.
You see, I am very happy. You see, grace of God dey with me. And fortunately, your mother's name is Grace. And the grace is following me and my siblings. Amen. All of you. The grace is with us.
Amen.
That grace will follow us, that one of you will become the queen.
He said.
Table manners. I don't like what you are doing. See the way you are. See your body. See everywhere. This thing inside bread, it does not have grease. You will think about it.
Oh, Papa.
You eat like Oyibo people.
Papa.
Eat with grace.
Papa. Papa, don't worry. Don't reach palace. You go use that one. You understand? So, Papa, you don't put that to say, you go bring plenty food for us. Make we eat for here now. So grace go cover us. Nobody will encourage you to disgrace you. You gotta go be plenty food. Come.
The grace that you have is you eat this one so that you can train and become. You see the way all of them are.
Papa, no worry. You get one to where some girls they tie for belly. Eh, Papa, if they tie that thing, they go use and tie their belly. You see how this one way they shake for you like this? Once I hear I could just go inside.
Let go do one.
Then the yarn should come
My
up like this.
sister.
Call it like this. Call it like this.
Egweji.
Gege. Papa.
Igim.
My yarn should come tail up.
Igigim.
Oh,
my sister. Papa. Oh.
Wait.
Woman, please. Igigi, my sister. My sister.
The grace is with you.
Yeah. Assurance.
My sister, chop your food. Chop your food.
My queen, should I tell you, if that's you have become my companion, and I like this hearing. I like this hearing. All I said was, leave your friend. She doesn't want me. You're my companion. And look here, look at me. Look at me. You know, it's in the seat, you know, they look here. Is it they look here? Continue. You know, no, they no. So when you do it, I'll get you another fine car. But you're going to kiss me again, so that I'll get you another fine car. If you don't kiss me, no car for you. Yeah. Do it. Don't worry, I'm going to make you happy. Okay? Be looking at me, I'm going to make you happy. Okay?
We are the people blessed with our culture. Our heritage is our pride. The ways of the gods are not the ways of man. They can make something out of nothing. You can be the one the gods will use.
Auntie Agnes, excuse me. Okay. I beg, this fat one follow. That one, you share more.
Oh yes.
This one.
Stop that. You're welcome, my dear.
Thank you, ma'am.
I welcome you all beautiful ladies. You're welcome. Okay? So just wait a little while we wait for Her Royal Majesty, okay?
They are watching you. It's a contest. It's a contest.
Oh, there she comes.
Wow.
Your Majesty.
Beautiful maidens of our land, you're welcome to our palace.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
You're welcome. This is Agnes, your instructor. She will teach you the ways of the royals. She will teach you how royals talk, work, eat, and do virtually everything. So if you want to win this contest, you need to listen to her. In case you should need anything, feel free to come and see me.
Okay.
Most importantly, you're welcome once again.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
All right.
Thank you.
My queen, excuse me. The girls should choose this one, that fat one.
Shut up.
Is this one at home?
Shh.
Okay, ladies, call me Auntie Agnes, okay?
Auntie Agnes.
Auntie Agnes. And I believe that we are going to have a smooth journey in these 2 months. We are going to be together. Having said that, let me not waste your time. Get your bags. Let me show you your rooms.
Auntie Agnes, excuse me.
Okay.
You sure saying that the gods choose this fat girl?
Will you stop that? Please follow me.
Auntie Agnes, this one should come this way.
Stop that nonsense. Please, ladies, come with me. All right.
This one deserves special room, oh. Okay, but you can royal bed.
You enjoy me.
Hey! Yeah, Joseph. Because the later one, the one, the very one. Yes.
Hi.
That's fine, sha. See, this shit is strong. We carry like 20 of us. Very strong shit.
20.
Hey!
You know, be like they put this in a mirror.
You guys are here.
We are there.
Auntie Agnes said I should inform you that our first lesson will start in the next 20 minutes.
20 minutes?
Yes.
When we just the corner now, we never even rest.
We never even eat.
Tell us I'm not fit. I'm not fit. They go now. Tell us I'm not fit.
We just came into this palace and the two of you are complaining.
Wait, come. You don't cry for me?
No.
No, wait, you don't cry for me?
No.
It's gonna bring that kind of talk.
Say she be leke.
Yeah, vamos.
I didn't get out.
I'm only telling you.
I said vamos! Follow the road, follow. Go, follow, go back.
20 minutes.
Go here. 20 minutes.
I don't blame you too. Big fat people.
He has the flat. What is it?
Yeah, flat. Ciao.
Nzube.
Hey, my prince. Hey. Sorry, my prince. No verse, sir. No verse. I beg. No punish me, sir. No punish me. I beg.
Punish you for what exactly?
For not greeting you now. I go see prince wey stand that side. I can't dey pass. No verse, sir. My eye been dey straight. You get wetin I dey think. I been dey think of all these heavy duty. Where is the more go select for you? I don't understand that kind of selection. I been no get good eye for good woman.
Nzube. Are you in any way saying the maidens are not beautiful?
No. How? They're too fine. All of them too fine. They're sharp for you. But I still dey think, oh. She say, it be like say the gods no sabi select woman. They see fine girls wey line up. They leave them. Go carry the hijack. You get one wey be like a one in rice, that very fat one. If mistakenly the gods go select that one, it don't be. You why no say you know they go gym. You don't ever go gym before place. Work don start oh. You get gym can manage gym. Ụtụtụ ịpaya, abalị ịpaya before 10 years. You're
very funny. Very funny. So have they come?
All of them don't come. Auntie Agnes don't carry them enter room.
Oh. That's good. Well, you can go ahead with your duties.
Prince, work there for you. Serious work there for you. If you see those people as them day, if mistakenly they go select that big one, we go change tailor for this palace. For that one, to sew full gown for an like 12 years. You I know, we no get strength. It don't be for you. Don't be smart, you know.
Ladies, if you want to be a queen in this royal family, there are some instructions you have to observe. I come again. If you want to be a queen in this royal family, there are some instructions you have to observe. And these rules and regulations must be observed strictly. Have I made myself clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, you must not use slangs and profanity. Do not also say, pardon me. Rather, you say words. Do not say toilets. And rather, you can say lavatory. Breakfast starts from 7 a.m. to 8. And lunch starts from 12 p.m. And dinner, 6 p.m.
Ma, dinner 6 p.m.
Oh, yes.
Auntie, no work. Oh. Ah, problem. No, your work. Oh.
What is the meaning of all this? Why are you blocking my path?
You get parts. As you just stay like this, so you get parts. Abi you remain for house, not be as you reach so. See, you know say to slap you though the hungry me since. If I slap you for this palace who there, they go find you. They go find you.
Cause see, Ma just give you good advice. Anytime you see us with they come like this, find one place, enter, just go hide. Because if I enter you, baby, you know go like I go rough handle you the way police say they rough handle 20 naira. No do anything they squeeze her. That's why I go squeeze you. I'll come pull you for you. If you know say this palace you won't stay, respect yourself. They fear us. They hear me so. Nonsense.
Hey,
you see they look me. You see they look me. Mama punch you.
Diva, sorry.
Two big fools.
Why they look me like that? No, they look me like say you even know what's in there in my mind. You know what make I talk am? Why they look me?
Zube, speak. You asked to see me.
Hello. I want you to understand the situation of this palace now. You see, as we did this palace now, you don't see what thing they go on. All these girls where them bring now, the prince go don't select the best one when go chop this night. And as I'm talking to you, say King go down the eye one. Once the queen do, he go carry and do fame inside. So what thing remain now? Na me and you. Na me and you. So as the CSO of this palace, waiting day there now for me and you to find how to enjoy our own. So this night now I go carry you, go for the darkest part of this palace. You go just bend for me.
God forbid.
What do you mean by
God forbid?
See, let me tell you, stop saying that thing. Once we get to the darkest part now, we look like this. Nobody's coming.
Zube, don't you ever call me out here to say this rubbish. The next time you try it, you will hear from Her Majesty. What is wrong with you?
See this one. Who is afraid of Her Majesty? You think I'm afraid of Her Majesty? For what, Kwan? See, I love you. I no keep person. Now love, people they go up and down, they love my own. Once I just tell you, I love you. What is wrong with you?
Okay, I've had enough. Please stop. Don't try this rubbish next time. Stupid man.
See this girl. See, person I want dry season now. Enjoy them. I got cup 10 mil. Hey, don't worry. When Konjibali again, you have a Konjibali again, you come back for me. That one Konjiga just 1 year again.
Hey. You both are distracting me. For goodness sake.
Hey! Don't even say that again. Don't open that your mouth and say that rubbish that you just said now. I mean, you guys were eating all the food in that place and you didn't even think about I and my sister. Knowing fully well that we don't know how to eat with fork and knife. Please respect yourself. Respect yourself, oh.
It's not fair, it's not fair. Me, I'm very, very hungry. It's not fair. So we are not going to eat this night. Probably tomorrow.
You say what? Me, I'm going out there to go and look for food, oh. I can't even sleep in this house, so I can't sleep without food.
Where you won't go look for food this night? Where you won't go look for food inside this palace this night? Where you know say we don't know anybody for this place? Go for your hand, though. If to say we no person when they cook for them now, if someone could go beg, we don't know the person.
That one on your own. Yeah, they go find food.
I think I have a great idea for both of you. Why don't you quit? Yeah, if you know you can't adapt to the palace rules and regulations, you quit. At least we are much already.
Ginika! This girl, they look for one killer. She dey look for one killer for this palace. See, you, I will just be going there. I will just
calm down now. And why your blood dey hot like this? Come not to spoil things for me for here. I used to take beg you. Calm down, I know say she wan die. And she dey find who wan kill her, but not before one hand go take die. But for now, they go find food, and that one dey me very, very important.
Me, I no dey go. See, I even hear say that queen, she's very difficult and she's a sadist. So I don't want that.
I know you are scared. But me, I'm not scared. So lie down here and sleep. I've not eaten since morning. And I'm not going to sleep without food. So I'm going out there to look for something to eat.
Oh my God. Ginika. Hey. You. Thunder fire you.
Are we the ones you're laughing at?
If your instincts tell you that you're the one, then you are.
Are you mad? No, are you stupid?
Why will you slap her like that?
And I will do just shut up.
How dare you lay your filthy hands on me?
How shut up. What's up with two of you? You want to kill her for me? Jesus. People should
Yeah! All of you! I said enough!
Sorry, Your Highness. Sorry.
I'm not going to ask what happened or whose fault it is. But I want peace in this palace. I hate noise, and please do not constitute one today.
What's going on here? What was the noise all about? Why do you want to bring disgrace to this honorable home? Why are you so useless and senseless? What kind of bickerings are those?